guys, we're back, and today we have a boat.
Which I'm going to be sitting in.
If you didn't see our last episode, go ahead, go see it right now.
You like to see a video of this?
You see all our videos. Haha. Now somebody's sitting up without talking.
Yeah. Need this? Cut. Oh, look. Cut you. Let's cut glass. Oh man, there's no such thing as cutting glass. Oh, wait.
Got the boat out.
See the whoa, cool boat. Get the batteries.
Alright, so this, no.
Is that AAA? Is that AAA? Is that AAA? Is that AAA?
Josh!
Just
Jesus Christ. Sorry, Lord.
oh,
Look at this boat.
I need my emergency dress. My dress got peppered. Not. Well, just excuse me while I change. Take this off.
Oh yeah, actually moves in the water. You need batteries. I can't show you, unfortunately. But we'll show you sometime.
Something came out. There we go.
Oh great, broke. Oh great, it broke. Oh great, it broke.
Just when you open it.
Everybody.
Not this dress. Need another dress. There's a dress. Put you in. La.
Haha. Our head is too big. Rip boat. R.I.P. boat. Recipes boat. But I have it in my hand.
Hello. I guess the people that were in there are dead.
All right, let's go. You have to. Why is she naked? Why is she naked, huh? To take a stand. Whoa! Everybody.
Hey, do you guys know the Pokemon?
Huh? See this? And you see this?
You know you didn't get perfect scores.
Land ahoy!
Land ahoy!
Hey, there's a person! To take a stand, everybody. You see this? See this? Goes my hair. That's right, the
I'm a servant. Oh my gosh. No, a beautiful girl.
I'm a servant. Oh my God, I'm a servant. servant. I am a servant. Oh, now I'm just a beautiful girl trying to get out to a boat.
Woman in the hole. Yay. Thanks a lot. That was really relaxing.
You're welcome. She said it was really relaxing, even though she fell. Yeah.
Oh.
At least we get $1 million from her. Oh, by the way, thanks for that $1 million.
Give me money back.
No, you
Money
can't do that. Nope, we took the money back.
Well, at least I have a lot of gold.
She's not rich.
Yeah, but she has a lot of gold.
No, she doesn't.
No.
All right. Popular C ever.